Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. If you've accidentally deleted important messages and they're no longer in your trash folder, this process will help you attempt recovery through Google's official support tools. First, open your browser and type mail.google.com to access Gmail, then sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and click on More to expand the full list of folder options. From there, click on Trash. This folder holds all your deleted emails for up to 30 days before they're permanently removed. Search through or scroll down to see if the email you're looking for is still there. If it is, you can simply restore it by selecting the message and moving it back to your inbox. However, if the email isn't in your trash or if it's been more than 30 days, you'll need to use Google's recovery tool. Open a new tab in your browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type Gmail recovered deleted emails and press Enter. This will bring up several results related to Gmail recovery options. Click on the first official link titled Missing Emails in Gmail. This is Google's help page dedicated to addressing issues with missing or deleted messages. Once you're on that page, scroll through the content and look for a blue highlighted link that says Delete or Recover Gmail Messages. Click on that link to proceed. Now, scroll down the page until you find another link labeled Gmail Message Recovery Tool. This is the actual tool that allows you to submit a request to Google for recovering emails that have been permanently deleted. Click on it to open the recovery form. You'll be prompted to read and confirm details such as the email address you're trying to recover messages from. Double-check that everything is correct, including the account information and the time frame of the deleted emails. Once you've verified all the details, click Continue. Google will then process your request and prompt you with the results. Keep in mind that recovery isn't always guaranteed, especially if the emails were deleted a long time ago, but this tool gives you the best chance of retrieving them. Thanks for watching.